All right, guys, let's dive into Frase.io, your SEO content optimization for teams built for AI search. Today, I want to talk about the pros, the cons of Frase. Should you use it? Should you not use it? And is there any viable alternatives to Frase that are just as good, if not better? So what they're pitching is basically how to get cited and seen in AI search. Optimized over across AI platforms, basically being able to look at your content, offer improvements, suggestions, and then ways to get cited inside of AI search. You can draft in your voice, gives you a scorecard before you actually publish it, ranking on Google, and then you can run the whole loop: listen, create, publish, optimize, and then fix. So this is basically taking over and improving upon what whole SEO teams are doing. But is it as good as they say it is? Well, diving into the pros and cons and doing research on this, here is what people actually like about the platform that we're going to go into, and then we're going to go into dislikes. So GEO is a real moat. It tracks brand citations across 8 AI engines. Almost nobody else does this natively. So you can see, is your content getting cited? Is it getting seen across AIs? That's important. It's stealing a lot of traffic, so you got to write your content in a way that's going to show up in AI overviews, AI citations, so you're not missing out on those clicks and that traffic. The next thing is research. So basically, it gives content briefs and gap finding analysis. So it cuts hours off of manual SERP review. So it does that research for you and basically finds gaps and opportunities that you can target in on. So basically, there used to be a big lag that people complained about. They are saying they fixed it, and it's a lot faster now than it used to be. So that's definitely a pro. You don't want to use a slow, clunky platform. Gives you internal link suggestions. So daily AI reviews verified 4 of 4 suggestions were accurate. So what can you basically link to? What can you use to link all your content together to improve and get that link juice? Gives you a topic score of 0 over 100. So basically, live feedback. So basically, when you're writing the content, it's going to analyze it and then give you a score. So you know, is the quality of the content good or bad? Does it need work? So it scores that out real time while you're working on it. It's great for a team. Briefs go to writers, shareable, exportable, and repeatable. So it does a lot of that work for you. But let's dive into the cons. What are people still complaining about? And this looks at, I looked at a lot of, Reddit user-generated sources to make sure that we are getting accurate cons as far as this goes. So the AI writer is mediocre. So same quality ceiling as raw ChatGPT. Reviewers report heavy manual editing. So it produces content, but then it requires a lot of back-end editing, which that kind of defeats the purpose. Citations need verifying. External sources in the writing can be wrong. So you got to check your external sources and the citations it's giving you. Cluttered UI. So there's reporting that there's a very click-heavy setup before you get an article. So it's not like an out-of-the-box, quick, easy-to-use solution. There's support complaints, refunds declined, days past trial, slower in different replies. So that's really not good. You want a good customer service team. Historic bugs, ignored required keywords, non-responsive buttons, garbled output, and then no real keyword data. You still need Hrefs or SEMrush, which can get really, really expensive. There are some pros. There are definitely some cons when it comes to Frase and using the platform. Now, are there any really good, viable alternatives? And the answer is, of course, yes. Arvow is a great alternative, and a lot of these cons, I think pretty much all of them, the Arvow does really well at. They excel really well. It's a great out-of-the-box, easy-to-use solution. Literally, you can go in here and produce an article in minutes right away out of the box. There's no setup required, or very, very little. I can literally go in here, give it a keyword, give it a title, and then generate the article. Now, what you want to do, and what sets Arvow apart from a lot of other platforms out there, is you can go in here and add your brand assets. So it's using your assets to create content, create articles. So it's more in line with your brand, which is definitely something that you want to do. You can go in here, give it a knowledge base. You can add your website, training materials, case studies. It'll use that information when generating articles. You can give it a brand brief about your brand, so it's going to use that when it's generating articles. You can give it a call to action, a structure. You can add your sitemap, so it's going to link to all your other pages. Inside the articles, it's going to internally link. It'll use external links to trusted sources as well. It'll add images, or you can add your own. It'll embed a relevant YouTube video, or you can add your own. So super helpful. The other really cool thing about Arvow, and this is next level with AI overviews and AI citations, is you can create custom templates that you can use and insert your own variables to create 100% unique articles. So I can go in here and create a template. Here's one for real estate where you enter the topic, the market, first-hand pattern. So this is very specific to real estate, but you can go in here and do article templates for whatever you want and create a custom template. And there's a whole video tutorial telling you how to set this up. It's really not that complex. You give it a prompt that you want it to write from and then a markdown outline. Then you can generate amazing articles using your own stats, your own data. You can also generate news articles that capitalize on news trends, and that'll be 100% unique. You can also turn YouTube videos into articles as well, and it'll embed the YouTube video. So super, super cool. If I go in here, you can kind of see some of the generations. Here's one for like a local lawn service company. I can open this up and you can see all the back end bells and whistles. H2s, H3s, alt text. It adds the images, internal links here, external links as well. So very, very well written article, embedded a YouTube video, meta description, all the SEO bells and whistles that it's important from a structure standpoint to get you seen, get you ranked, and also get you seen in AI overviews. You can set up an auto blog, super awesome. So this will run on autopilot. Basically, you go in here and you hit continue. It'll allow you to set up a feed. You can do a keyword feed of specific keywords you want to target, a news feed, an RSS feed, or a YouTube feed, and then generate content as much as you want, daily, weekly, multiple times a day. So content on autopilot that ranks. Site optimizer. You can go in here and audit your whole website from an SEO technical standpoint. It'll audit your whole website. It'll analyze all this stuff for missing stuff or improvements, meta titles, meta descriptions, chronological URLs, image alt text, all the things. And they'll tell you what you have, what it should be changed to, why it should be changed, and then you can apply the change. You can also mass apply, which is awesome. So say I want all these changes, boom, and I can apply all the changes at once. So you can audit and fix your whole website in literally a couple of clicks and a couple of minutes. Other things, automatic backlinks, next level. This is a backlink pool that you can enter your website and you get put in this pool. So there's thousands and thousands of users in here using Arvow. When someone creates content, it looks at the backlink pool, finds relevant backlinks that apply, that are relevant to your niche, and then it'll put them in here as an external link, as an external backlink, along with your internal links and all your other content that is rankable. And then this works for you creating content and them creating content. They'll find your links and apply it automatically. Literally nothing you need to do. A lot of businesses that are using this are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks a day for free, automated, next level. Finally, that has the final 2 features that are really, really cool. LLM brand monitor. You can go in here, enter your brand, enter your website, and then it'll monitor how your performance across AIs, AI overviews, AI citations. Here's one, just an example for SEMrush. It goes in here and it'll automatically apply prompts, search terms that are relevant, and then it'll tell you how visible it is and then the sentiment. So you know what you need to work on. A nice thing too, so this prompt is only 24% visibility. I can then go in here to articles, create articles on this prompt, and hopefully get my visibility up. You can click into each prompt and see visibility across the top AI platforms, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini. And then you can add your own prompts as well, as many as you want to track over time. Really, really cool stuff. Site Explorer, this takes the place of like Ahrefs or SEMrush. For no extra, you get this. You can analyze any domain, your own or competitors, see the traffic, see the ranking pages, the traffic that pages are coming from. So really, really helpful resource. So this is the all-in-one tool for SEO. Next level, easy to use, out of the box, great platform for ranking, content creation, all the things. So there's a link below. You can check it out. But that's my review. That's the pros and cons, and a really good alternative that you should highly think about using. That's it for today. Check out this other video on SEO. I'll be back soon with some really good stuff for you guys.